Okay, so hi, my name is Reagan. I am in aviation. I use Excel a lot, like in the aviation, using products and prices and dealing with all of that. And I didn't really know what I was doing before. Like I would just be able to get by, but after the whole going through Sprintzeal and the training with Gulam, going through this whole certification training, it helped me out a lot, learning stuff that I never knew before and helped me learn how to do stuff that I didn't think was even possible on Excel. So it's helped me out a lot, and even trying to get on to the whole getting through the certificates with Alex Wood, it's been like I haven't had any problems with anything. So